everyone, my name is Israel again. I'm going to be teaching this class, and I want to welcome every one of you guys into this class. I would like to kind of quickly navigate this class with you and kind of show you some of the very important information that I would like you guys to be aware of. And as much as possible, I would like you guys to reach out to me if you have any question. I'll be more than happy to answer them for you. Here is your D2l page, and I know most of you guys already know how to navigate to that. I'm also going to show you guys how to take advantage of some of the very cool and free stuff that are available for you throughout this class. The one important thing that I think everybody in this class needs to have, you need to have a Gmail account, a Google account. The reason is because all the lab is going to take place in a GCP cloud environment. I have secured a grant for everyone in this class. It's going to give you a $50 grant that you can use throughout this class. I'm also going to schedule an optional online face-to-face synchronous class with everyone. I am proposing to schedule this class for Saturday. If that is not going to work for you, let me know, but I'm going to go ahead and do that and make sure everyone in this class have a really great time. And I would like you, I hope you really enjoy this class. So the first thing I'm going to do is to show you how to access GCP platform. And if you type GCP console, now I've already have my Gmail account, so that's why I'm just going to be able to log on over here. But you will not be able. You want to make sure you have your Google account first. When you log in, it's going to bring you up here, and I'm going to show you quickly how to create and set up your environment. Setting up your environment in this class is the easiest work you will ever do. Okay, you come over to the menu over here, go on the menu, go to Compute Engine, and go ahead and create VM instance over here. Once this page is loaded, you're going to create an instance, and what I wanted to do, you will call this VM, you'll call it CVF 1205. That's the name of this class. Yay! And then you will come over here and go to Change and select Ubuntu. That is the box we're going to use for this class, Ubuntu, and accept the default. That's Ubuntu 16. You're going to go to Select, and you're going to come over here and go to Create. And using this box, it's going to create and spin up a box here. You can see it's spinning up a VM for me. And once this process is done, we're going to go ahead and just load up the system. So that's pretty much most of what you have to do for this environment. It's a really straightforward class, and I hope you like it. So here is it. I'm going to click my SSH, and then it's going to try and open up your Linux environment. I recommend you use Google Chrome, or if you're not going to use that, you should try and use the Chrome for Microsoft Chrome. I think Microsoft Edge, rather. That's another option for you. Really good to browser that I would definitely want you to kind of exploit. All right. If you have a delay response like this I'm having, normally this should take you like just maybe like 3, 4, 5 seconds at the most. Most of the time is because even though this thing shows green now, is because this VM is not fully provisioned, so it's still taking a little bit of a time in the background. So we'll wait for it a little bit, and there you go, it's done. Okay, now some of you guys have been wondering what kind of Python are we using. By default, if you just type Python over here, Python, and you press enter, you can see we have Python 2.7, and that is the pattern we're going to use for this class. Okay, so your lab environment is already set up for you by default. Once you install your Linux Ubuntu, Python 2.7 is already installed. Thank you so much for watching this video. There's going to be a couple of other videos weekly that I'm going to be producing, and I look forward to having you in this class. Thank